Hi, and welcome to the Wayne County Probate Court. This video will guide you in filling out a petition for appointment of a limited guardian of a minor, Form PC 650. Before we get started, this video is not legal advice and is for informational purposes only. Specific questions you have about your case must be addressed by an attorney or legal counsel. So let's grab the petition on the Wayne County Probate Court's website, www.wcpc.us. In the upper middle of the website is probate information. Click on that link. How to start a Wayne County probate case is on the left. It will bring you to all the various case types you can file with the court. We are looking at the limited guardianship for minors. So we click on that link. There's lots of great information here about the documents you need to file, as well as additional information relating to this type of case. But we are interested in Form PC 650, which is the petition. So when you click on the link, it brings up the form and you can begin to fill it out right on your computer. I have annotated one to make it easier for you to follow while filling it out. And in the upper left, you'll see the county. This is Wayne County Probate Court. So Wayne goes there. In the middle is the title of the document or the form, which is the petition. And then there's case number and judge. If this is your first time filing for a guardianship, then you will leave this blank. Otherwise, you will include the case number that the filing or the petition relates to, as well as the judge. But again, if this is your first time, you can just leave this blank. It will be filled in by the court once your petition and related documents are processed. You'll fill in the court address and the telephone number. In the matter of the first, middle, and last name of the individual over whom the limited guardianship is the subject of this petition. So whoever the individual is that needs the limited guardianship, their name goes here. The petitioner, which presumably is you, your name, address, and phone number go here. If an attorney is involved, their information goes here on the right. An attorney is not required. And if there is no attorney involved, just leave this blank. Then number 1, I am interested in this matter and make this petition as custodial parent of the minor. Number 2, the minor is currently with the age of the minor, the gender is unmarried, resides in, put their place of residence. Most likely it's going to be Wayne County. And then the street address, city, state, and zip, and is presently located at, perhaps they are at a facility, in which case you will put the county and the address, but only if it's different than their residence above. Could be a hospital. Then, if applicable, you will check this box which says the minor is a citizen of the following foreign country, and you'll type in the country there. If this does not apply to you, leave that blank. Number 3, the persons interested in the proceeding are. These are generally going to be people related to the minor over whom a guardianship is sought. We'll type in all of the people who are interested in this proceeding. There's a place for the parents, if there's a conservator, if there's a guardian already in place, or if there's someone who is in the person who is in the care, who is caring for the individual, their name will go here along with their address. I highlighted here because it's hard to see, but it says none of these persons are under any legal incapacity except, and then you'll want to put in if any of these people have a legal incapacity, which might mean they also have a guardianship or a conservatorship or are otherwise incapacitated legally. Put that here. Then it says, note, if a parent is incarcerated and under the jurisdiction of the Michigan Department of Corrections, the petitioner must comply with MCR, that's Michigan Court Rule 2.004B. You can copy this and do an internet search. It should bring up the court rules, and you can reference this section and follow what that section says. I also highlighted Michigan statutes, which is MCL, and Michigan court rules that this form references. If you do an internet search for these MCL 700.5205, and same with MCRs, it will bring you to those sections and you should read them because it will help guide you in how to fill out these forms as well. Moving on to page 2. Number 4, you'll check the appropriate box, which says the minor is not an Indian child as defined in MCR 3.002.12. You want to read that section of the court rules if you're not sure what an Indian child is or how it's defined, or it is unknown whether the minor is an Indian child as defined in MCR 3.002.12. Check the appropriate box. 5, an action with jurisdiction of the family division of circuit court involving the family or family members of the minor has been previously filed in, the type of the court and the case number and the judge, and whether it's open or not. So this may not apply if there is no case pending in the family division. However, if there is, this probate court needs to know that, and you need to check box 5 and fill in the information of that case. Moving on to number 6, the welfare of the minor will be served by the appointment. This is just a statement. Same with number 7, a proposed limited guardianship placement plan is attached. So you'll need to attach the placement plan, which is a different form, but that should also be included in the petition that you file with the court. Then I request, as the petitioner, you are requesting in number 8, you'll type in the name of the person proposed to be the limited guardian of the minor, as well as the address, city, state, and zip, and telephone number. Number 9, you can make other requests here and type them in to notify the court of additional requests beyond the request that the person in number 8 be appointed as the limited guardian. Number 10, I consent to the suspension of my parental rights. Then it says, I declare under penalty of perjury that this petition has been examined by me and its contents are true to the best of my information, knowledge, and belief. If that's the case, date and sign of the custodial parent. Then it says if both parents have custody, each must sign. Then number 11, if this is applicable, it says I am 14 years of age or older and I nominate as my guardian who lives at. If this is a minor, 14 years of age or older, filling this out, you will put that here and date and sign. Or if the minor is 14 years of age or older and they can have a say in who is their guardian, in which they would check box 11 and type in the information here. If an attorney is on the case, they must sign this as well and fill in their information. Again, not required that an attorney be involved. However, it is strongly recommended But if no attorney is involved, then no signature would be required here, and you just leave it blank. So that is how you go about filling out the petition. We put this together at the Wayne County Probate Court because we care. Have a great day.